to create some baskets, some hanging flower baskets, flower arrangements. I've never done it before. I always just thought you would just buy the assortment as it is. But after looking around, I couldn't really like any that I liked, so I thought I was gonna do my own. And it's such a beautiful day. It is the 1st of March. It's the first day when I can enjoy the garden without like having to wrap up or, just sitting here. And it's the first time I'm actually able to enjoy my garden, and it's such a nice feeling that I'm here, and it feels a little bit surreal, but it's a lovely day. We're gonna do some baskets, and that's the plan. Monday. I wanted to say morning, but it's not the morning anymore. It is almost midday. It's about 12 o'clock. So I thought I would take this opportunity to just thank you for being on my channel. Thank you for going through the moving process with us. I hope you enjoyed the vlogs. And I decided to change the style of my vlogs slightly just to make them more quiet, more chilled out, more personal, more of the type of videos that I also enjoy watching. And hopefully this will be a calm place for you to just enjoy some quiet, some peace, recharge, and then go back to your day, because I know we all have busy schedules. Today's Monday. I've already started to work. I prepped myself first. It's super important for me to have a routine on a Monday morning or Sunday evening, but yesterday we had some friends over and we went to sleep really late, so I didn't have that time to myself to really recharge. So I'm gonna take that opportunity this morning, and I did like a everything shower, did my makeup, put on some nice clothes, and I don't know if you can see in the background, but I'll show you in a little bit. It is so nice outside. It is so sunny. It is such a lovely light coming into the house. This is basically like the only shadow place that I can spend some time in without super bright light. But it's a beautiful week. And whenever there's a beautiful week, I feel like I can do anything. I feel like I want to do stuff. I want to be outside. I want to do like activities. And what more perfect timing to film a YouTube video. So here's my week, and I hope you enjoy.